Mga kapuso, this morning ato makauban ang usa sa mga nakoronahan sa recently concluded Miss Cagayan de Oro 2022 pageant dinhi sa syudad. Ato makauban si April Angelo Barro, our Miss Cagayan de Oro Pilipinas 2022. April, good morning and welcome din sa At Home GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka?
Good morning, everyone. I am so happy and thankful right now. Thank you for inviting us.
Nako, we are so thankful also, April, no, nga naabot mo din sa GMA Regional TV Cagayan de Oro Station. Pero, unang-una, siyempre bago lang nahuman ang pageant and nauli nimo ang Miss Cagayan de Oro Pilipinas 2022. Kumusta ba? Nag-sink in na ba sa iyo?
Nag-sink in na siya gamay. And I'm so happy and still in shock kay dream lang din ako siya before and now it's finally here. I'm finally wearing the sash. I'm finally wearing the crown and ginaampo lang din ako siya for 7 years now and now I'm I'm so thankful and grateful.
Nako, grabe fulfilling gyud kay 7 years gyud mo giampuan.
Yes.
Pero on the coronation night, April, what's the mindset nimo? Siyempre, katuna ang murag last showdown nimo with the other girls.
Ang ako lang yung mindset ato kay I've given everything that I've got. I went above and beyond already and so kaning a night I should enjoy and that's what I did. Nag-enjoy lang yun ko and I told myself ayaw pa kulba kasi huma naman ang ang 50% I guess, I don't know. Pero like you did your best na. And this time, this is the only time when i-show ni mo nga enjoy na ka. Like be happy of what you are doing and what you have become. So, ayun.
April, katong time nga kamo na lang duha ni Ara sa stage nag-afbangay. Tapos i-declare na kinsa ang madaog and gitawag imo pangalan. Unsa imo ang giisip ato?
Before mi gitawag, I told Ara nga kanang whatever happens, kung unsa maihatag sa ako ug sa imo, I will be grateful. I'm still thankful. Happy na kay ko. Kay this is a Miss Cagayan de Oro crown already.
Sumuton yung conversation that time. Oo. Having said that, karon nga ikaw magrepresent sa Cagayan de Oro for Binibining Pilipinas. It's a big pageant, national pageant. Unsa imong mindset? What are the preparations nga plano nimo i-plot para ani?
Binibining Pilipinas is one of the most prestigious pageant in the Philippines. And so, yes, there is pressure, pero for now, I'm recuperate lang sa ako, relax, enjoy the moment, and savor pa na ako ang Miss Cagayan de Oro nga crown. Ang first lang gid na goal na akong ginatan-aw right now is to kuan lang sa ang screening. O kanang kung official candidate lang mauna na siya. Sa mao lang sa nga kuan ang goal akong ginaset sa self karon.
Oo, one step at a time,
Yes.
kumbaga. So despite the naka-plot na imong mga preparations for Binibining Pilipinas and aside from the glitz and glam and the beauty nga ginadala ninyo ladies, no. Unsa ba ay mong advocacy pod nga ginadala and how do you plan to advocate it sa ato ang community?
Okay, so my team and I created a project. It's called Little Smiles Project. It is an initiative to inspire young kids to appreciate learning, to value quality education. So through mga storytelling and to providing them with the right materials for them to really learn. One time, someone approached me kay kanang she told me nga ang ila dong daycare kay nag-close down and she wanted me to see their situation. So, because I am a member of Junior Chamber International. So she asked for my help and so I went there and I saw na daghan kaayo kids na kanang they are so eager to learn pero wala sila right place or wala sila daycare to study. Like naalan sila sa kanang basketball court nagatapok every Sunday and so that's when my advocacy started nga I want them to kanang have the right place, have the right materials good so that they will continue and stay in school.
Ako, we wish you all the best sa imong advocacy, April. So April, siyempre, beauty queen naman gid ka. And officially, Miss Cagayan de Oro Pilipinas. And ginatan-aw na gid ka sa younger generation na ba kay matambag sa kato mga butpod nga mahimong beauty queen sama nimo? Unsay mga secrets nga pwede nimong mahatag?
Secrets. Wala gyud siya, like what RG said, there's no specific recipe. Pero you really have to believe in yourself. Like before entering the pageantry world, you have to believe that you have the capabilities, you have the power, you have the potential to be a beauty queen. And so believe in yourself, do whatever you can, because I myself, I have prepared for this for so many years, and you really have to work hard for you to achieve the crown.
Nako. This time around April, na ba kay mensahe sa mga supporters nimo nga wa gyud puas na nagsuporta sa imo gikan pa kaniadto hantod karon nga ikaw na si Miss Cagayan de Oro Pilipinas 2022?
Sa tanan nga nag-support sa ako, thank you so much. Also, I would like to thank my parents kay sila gid mismo nga maskin mga tigulang na taon kay sila gid ga send og vote para sa ako. Thank you so much, Mama and Papa, and to my the house family, Sir M, Sir Edson, Sir Ronald. Thank you so much for helping me in this journey, and to my mentor who helped me from the very beginnings, from 2015, I think. Siya na gid ang ga-train sa ako, si Jen Paasa. Thank you so much. And to everyone else, my family, my sisters, thank you. I love you all.
Alright, daghang kayong salamat Miss Cagayan de Oro Pilipinas 2022 April Barro sa oras ni imong gihatag dinhi sa At Home GMA Regional TV. More power sa imuha.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.